Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys a spicy chicken and noodle soup. Okay? And let me show you the ingredients that we got. I have some chicken broth right here. This is like 16, let me see, 2 pounds of it. So that's 32 ounces of both of them. Alright? And I have some chicken breasts. Not some chicken breasts, these chicken thighs, my bad. I got that. That's about 3.5 pounds. And I have some of these egg noodles right here. Okay? And since I don't have no chicken, cream of chicken, I'm going to be making a slurry. So I have the starch right here, cornstarch. And I like bold flavors, so I'm going to be adding some chicken base to it. Over here I have some peas and carrots frozen. Alright, let's get to the seasoning. Right here is some garlic salt. Actually it's garlic powder. This is some complete seasoning right here. This was going to make it spicy. We have some red crushed peppers. Over here I have some cilantro leaves. Over here is just a mixture of rosemary and thyme and stuff like that, ground it up with some what's in there? Oh, I have some obey in there. Alright, let's get over here. You're going to be needing to use some healthy turmeric or turmeric, or however you want to call it. And for mine, it don't call for this recipe, but I do love mushrooms, so I'm going to be adding some of these mushrooms in there as well. You're going to need you some ginger. This stuff is good for inflammation. It's very healthy for you. Over here I have some parsley flakes. And I have some black pepper right here. This is the restaurant style, so it's kind of thick. Okay, let's see, that's it. I think that's it. Okay guys, all I'm going to do is just add this stuff to this pot. That's going to come later. That's going to come later. So I'm going to add this to this pot. Just like so. I like a lot of chicken in mine. Let me move this chair out the way. It's normally over this way anyway. Alright, we're going to come in here with this complete seasoning. We're going to add a tablespoon of that. Just like so. Tablespoon of granulated garlic powder. Alright. Tablespoon of red crushed pepper flakes. Okay. Just like that. I'm going to have to get a spoon for this. Matter of fact, this one, oh yeah, it's good. I can use it. We're going to go with a teaspoon of this. Of the ginger spice. Turmeric, we're going to go with like a teaspoon of that. Black pepper, we'll go with a teaspoon. Okay, cilantro, we're going to go with a teaspoon. Or more like a tablespoon. And this special blended season, we're gonna go with a tablespoon of that, teaspoon of that. Okay. Parsley, like a tablespoon. If someone tell you parsley don't have flavor, they told you a lie. I don't know why people think it don't. Everything has some type of flavor, okay? So, but that's other people. That's their opinion. So I'm not gonna get into that. All right, we're gonna put us a tablespoon of this chicken base. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken broth and stuff in. And guys, we're gonna cook this bad boy for about good 45 minutes because these chicken thighs don't take a long time to cook. Put that in the garbage. Yes, sir. And if you're new here, so consider subscribing to the channel. I try to put up 3 recipes every week. Every week. Let me get something to stir this up a little bit. And before we put our noodles in there, I don't have it out here yet. I will be putting like a tablespoon of butter in there. All right, guys, that's what we looking like right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this crack-a-lacking up on the stove, and in about 45 minutes, I'll show you guys what we got in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been like a half an hour. We're gonna go ahead and put like a cup of this in there. These are vegetables, frozen vegetables. Half a cup. Alright, there's enough of that. Alright, the mushrooms. Like that. Up some. I guess at this point we could make our slurry up. We should use about a teaspoon, maybe like a tablespoon. I like mine not too thick. That should be about like a tablespoon. I don't like mine super thick. I like thin broth. Some water. Like that. Let's go on this thing. This will thicken up a little bit more. You gotta remember, you gotta put that them noodles in there too. While we're putting them noodles in there, it's gonna take a lot of this broth and stuff away. It's gonna soak up in it. Alright, where my butter at? Tablespoon with the butter. That goes in here. All we're simply going to do is let this cook about a good 10 minutes. I'll show you what we'll be working with then. Okay, guys? In a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. In 10 minutes, all I'm going to do is put my noodles in there, like half of this bag. Like that. Turn this around up in here. Like that. They're going to blow up. So I'm trying a little bit under half. Like that. And that's it. When I get to that thickness like that, that's it. Spicy chicken noodle soup. No doubt about it. Healthy. Very healthy for you. Don't believe me? Look it up. Now people are scared of spice. It's spicy. Help get your blood circulating and all that good stuff. And then you got the turmeric. That's good for inflammation and stuff like that. If you got like a lot of back problems, hand problems, stuff like that, that helps with that. Ginger is real good for you as well. This is what we're going to do with this. If you don't believe me, just look it up, guys. Now you see how I'm doing this? I'm just letting everything sit in here, just like this. And I'm finna turn this pot off and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Just like that. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am finally done. And this is how it looks right here. If you can see that. That's how it looks. Spicy chicken noodle soup. Guaranteed to make it better. I guarantee you that. That's what I do. Anytime I feel like a little illness coming on or something like that, I refer back to my soups. And my soup never let me down for many of years. So anyway guys, if you guys like this recipe, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. And please do not forget to watch the giveaway. I'm getting close to 2,000. So, you know, we need a winner. So guys, please watch them videos so you can answer them questions. Alright? Alright, see you guys next time. And I'm out.